Guys, User7 here, and today I'll be reviewing the Citrus OS for the OnePlus 2. So let's get started. First of all, about the ROM. Citrus OS is a CAF based custom ROM, and for all those who don't know what CAF is, it is the Code Aurora forums. And we have the team and the device maintainers. Now let's go into the Android version, which is 7.11, and CAF version is, you can see it right there. Now we have the security patch of December 5, and it will not be updated until the forums, the CAF is completely updated to the latest patch level, which is of February 5, if I am not wrong. Now the scenic status is permissive. Now let me go into the general UI and customizations about the ROM. Talking about the UI, is not that smooth. We have a few transition problems when I just switch from one app to the other, or maybe using the split screen. All those I experienced a slight lags. I don't know why. Maybe the RAM management is overall very good. We have a free memory of about 2.2 gigs. You can see it right on the top here. But still, the app transitions, they take some time. Some apps pop up quick, real quick. Otherwise, I'll show you. Sometimes we have that problem. The apps being not that smooth, the transitions are not being that smooth. So other than that, the UI is quite okay, and also the network, everything except hotspot is working fine. Now we have HD, that is VoLTE, working fine with 4G dual SIMs, everything. But the internet tethering through hotspot, then you will have a few errors there. I'll just get into that. Tethering a portable hotspot, I will just turn it on. And you have that error message here, your hotspot will not be detected. So that is a problem in this ROM and also in the Aosip, which I have reviewed recently. So maybe it will be fixed in the upcoming updates. I have tried about all the possible methods, including reflashing the same ROM, but nothing works. Still we have the same issue. But if the mobile data is off, that is if you want to use the hotspot for sharing something, like an extender or share it, then maybe, not maybe, then hotspot is working without any problems, and the portable Wi-Fi hotspot just turns on without any errors. You can see it right there. So some problem exists when you want to share your mobile data with someone else. So if you are someone who are not that inclined to use hotspots, then maybe you can use this ROM. You can try this ROM. The ROM is not that smooth and also not that quick, but we have the pixel launcher here with the app shortcuts and all those things. Maybe you can try this thing. Now about the pre-installed apps, we have the Google stock dialer and messaging app. Then we have the Snapdragon, which is the gallery app. Then the camera, we have the Google camera, and you will not have all those manual functionalities here. You'll have this basic camera and video options. Then you can change the resolution. You have about 3 resolutions to select from, nothing more than that. And you can change decide size. In advanced you will have manual exposure. Other than that, you won't have much settings there. You have the timer, grid, HDR, flash, and switching the camera. Other than that, you don't have much manual settings or anything like that. Now maybe if you just go into the manual mode, I'll show you, one sec. just go to advanced and switch on the manual exposure. You'll have that exposure setting here. Other than that, we don't have any manual options like you have in the stock Xenon camera or maybe in other custom ROMs. So that's all about the general UI and also the network. Now secondly, I'll be talking about the battery. The battery, even here the ROM is not that good. I have used it for about 3 battery charge discharge cycles. The first thing was from about 70%. I charged it to 70% and then used it to about 30%, and then I charged it back to about 60% today morning, and then before evening my phone died out. It reached a 4% and I had to power it off, and then I charged it again to 60%, and now as you can see I'm running at 17% of my battery. And so overall the screen on time is 6 hours for about 3 charge discharge cycles, and that's just an average of 3 hours for a complete use from 100% to a 5 to 4%. So that's all what you will get. And also the phone idle time is 22 hours, not even a day, and the power usage is 226 milliamp. So that's not that great if you compare to any other ROM, even to the Oxygen OS. So I wouldn't recommend this ROM if you are someone who needs a best battery life. But the RAM management is quite good. You have a 2.4 gigs of free memory most of the time, and also all the other app optimizations are also very good, but still the battery is somehow dying. And also regarding the hardware keys, hardware buttons, that we have the alert slider there, or the notification slider, and also about the fingerprint sensor. This fingerprint sensor is working. There are no issues there. And also same thing with the proximity the alert slider. But as per my usage, a few times the alert slider went blank. That means I toggled it, but still the system was not reading that. And also the fingerprint sensor, it went dumb. Then I had to restart my device to get it back functioning. I had that issues about one time in these 2 days of experience. Other than that, no much issues there. Then thirdly, I'll be talking about the customizations which are included in the ROM. Here we have a custom squash menu, which includes the UI customizations, status bar customizations, as you can see here, then the lock screen customizations, buttons, miscellaneous controls, a few things, and that's all. And you will not be having any LED customizations or any other extras which are seen in other ROMs these days. So you won't be having any other customizations here. So that's all. And now talking about the few bugs of the ROM, as I mentioned already, the hotspot issue and also the transitions taking quite a while. Other than that, the ROM is overall a good one, and you can surely try one of these, and maybe in the future updates, future releases, everything will be fixed. And I'll be making a few more reviews about other custom ROMs, and if you're interested, please do subscribe, and also please drop your suggestions in the comments below. So thanks for watching.